Yo, 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 yo. What? You're gonna.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes, but if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. So in today's video, you can probably tell, you probably know what's going on, why I have these cat ears on, because you know it's gonna be one of those kinds of videos where I do my makeup. Yep,
that's me.
But this time, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look. Not trying because I've tried. It's full face using only Poundland makeup products. So if you want to see that, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment down below what your favorite makeup product is, or if you are anyone that doesn't wear makeup, then comment down below what's your favorite skincare product, whether it's lotion, basic, whatever. And make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, because sometimes I like to do spontaneous videos and post them on random days, you know, because I love you guys. So yeah. So let's get into this full face. First of all, I'm gonna take the items out of the bag and then I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. I didn't get these from Poundland, by the way. Don't get it twisted. I did get another cute headband thing from Poundland. And this one's actually so cute. It's the Just Right beauty collection. That's her. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm wearing my Kit Kat headband and let's bring out the products. Okay, so not the first item that I picked up, but these are in no particular order. So the first thing that I've got here is the makeup gallery. You can tell that it's from Poundland because their things are called makeup gallery. So I got the makeup gallery, all about the Pout Color Moisture lipstick. They have a shade in the shade London and it's this like brown color. I can't wait to use it because when I use it you can see what color it is, but yeah, it's this color. The next color that I picked up is the same thing, all about the Pout, but in Marrakesh, and it's this like dark like purpley brown color, but it looks like this. It doesn't look like that on camera, but off camera it kind of looks the same actually. But yeah, it's this. I'm gonna try and kind of blend the two to make the lipstick color that I usually wear. The next thing I got is just a simple turn up the volume and define mascara, and I only got this because I thought I was gonna find lashes, but then I found lashes. And then the next thing that I got is the Slay the brow gel, and I got it this is what it looks like. I basically just got this because I don't know why I got this, if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, it's a lash and brow gel. Well, that's good because sometimes I don't like wearing mascara on my eyelashes, if you know. So I might use this instead of the mascara because I found lashes like I told you before. But yes, this isn't my first time going to Poundland to find some makeup because Poundland's low-key good. Like, you're sleeping on Poundland. But anyways, I'll show you that today. But I got this Good To Go bronze shimmer. Yes, I've already had it. It's really good. Matte bronzer again, medium 2. And then this one I picked up today. It's a pressed powder. I was thinking, because you know the way I always highlight my under eyes, I was gonna try and do that with this today. So yeah, it's in the shade Tan 4 and it was the only shade that they had. I want to work on your range, Poundland. That's my only complaint. Next, I got the Duo blusher. This was the only blush color that they had, but I like pink blush anyway. The next thing I picked up is this Color and Shine lip gloss. And then, because I told you before they didn't have a foundation shade that was my shade or even similar close, I found these, and these are multi-use concealers, so I will just be using these all over my face, but they are in a similar shade, like right in a similar shade that I would use. These are in the shade Almond. Yeah, makes sense. But I bought 2 of these because I'll be using it on my face and it was only £1, so why not, you know what I mean? And then I picked up this eyebrow pencil. I don't know, it's black. I have a personal vendetta against black eyebrow pencils, but whatever. I will be using it as a lip liner as well as an eyebrow pencil. And then thankfully I found false eyelashes and they come with eyelash glue. It's in Style 1 Dramatic, and the other ones were kind of mellow and soft, like they only had the short ones. When I compared the lashes that I bought and the other lashes, I was like, and you expected me to buy that. You expected me to buy those ones, but I'm glad that I found that. So I'm happy. Okay, let's get into it and let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is hold my hair up because it's actually getting annoying. Perfectly tied, so we're good to go. So yeah, I didn't buy lip gloss. I did, but like I didn't. You know, like base gloss, I didn't buy that. Let me move you guys up first of all. Yeah, I didn't buy primer because I don't really use primer anyways, so like I don't understand the hype around primer. Some people do, to each their own personal preferences, you know, we all have them, we all get it, so it doesn't really matter. But I didn't buy all of that. They didn't have it, to be fair. So let's get into it and let's go. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is starting off with my eyebrows, brushing up my eyebrows like I usually would. So I take this and literally just brushing up my eyebrows, not doing too much. And that's literally it. That's all I do with this. And then I'm going to take the eyebrow pencil, and I'm not going to be putting glue and concealer and powder on my eyebrows to make them thinner like I did in the last video where I was showing you my Instagram makeup. Instead, I'm just going to be following my natural brow line and yeah, just fill in the ends of my brows like I did in my summer video and I think my 5-minute makeup video. My makeup literally changes every week. I have, like, this is the longest time I've had a set makeup plan. But anyways, so I'm just going to fill in the ends of my eyebrows. Just draw it to how my eyebrows already look. And then if it looks too weird, I can literally just go like that. We're going to keep going. And that's that. Well, 10 out of 10 because this actually really did well. It's not too dark, like it's giving, it's good. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the concealer in Hide and Chic multi-use concealer in the shade Almond number 5. And this low-key feels empty, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm just gonna shake it a bit. Got the concealer brush and the concealer. We are going to be taking some of that on the palm back of our hand. I'm just going to take some of that and fill in the edge of my brows. Hopefully this is good. I'm looking up at the mirror so that I don't flop. Silence. Okay from afar on my login. Okay guys, that's the brows done. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I think they actually look okay. But what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to take the rest and then just put it where I normally put my concealer, which is underneath my eyes, over my eyes, and yeah, I think around my mouth too. I'm not so sure, but we're gonna let this dry for a while and then we're gonna go over my whole face with the concealer again. It's not my colour, but we're gonna have to work with it. I have like bronzers and stuff here, so hopefully that does something. Guys, I forgot to mention that I'm going to be using the blending sponge for this and not the concealer brush. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot flow when I went low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, 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 colour difference. I'm yelling. So what I'm gonna do now, I think I'm gonna do my eyes and then go in with everything else, but put powder underneath. I think I'm gonna go with the colour that I already had, the matte bronzer, and then the one that I bought, the Smoothly Does It pressed powder, and just keep it under my eyes to give it that under eye highlight.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice now, now, now. Hold me till I scream or ever breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Don't really think that did much, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We move. We're gonna take the Slay the eyebrow pencil again, and I'm just gonna go over my under eyes a bit and then over my eyes to make kind of like a wing look, and then blend it out using this because it will just mimic the kohl that you normally have, you know. You see how it's looking? Do you get the vision? Like it looks kind of blurred and still there at the same time. Now I'm gonna take the mascara and just do my lashes before we get ready to put on the lashes. Next I'm going to be taking the bronze shimmer, and it's gonna act as a highlight as well, which I think get. Now we're going to take the bronzer that I had before, the shimmer bronzer, and we're going to put some of that just on the edge of my eyelids, actually, not on the edge. These back ways. Guys, it's cute. I like these. They're like subtle but like still dramatic. I like these. Okay, now that I've done these, I can move on to the lips. So we're gonna take the lip pencil that we had before, and I'm literally just gonna line my lips like I usually do. And then we're going to take the darker colour, Marrakesh, and I'm going to put it and follow like a pattern. In the middle we tag London. Doesn't that look cute? So guys, this is how it looks. Do we like it? I ended up, as I showed you in the video, I ended up using the lipstick as eyeshadow, and I ended up using the lip gloss to give me a bit of shine on my nose. I love it. I think I look cute, and for around £10, when £10 would literally just buy me one foundation. Plus lashes that actually look good. Guys, let's go on. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below like before. What's your favourite makeup look? What you would have done differently? What's your favourite colour? Like, I want to know everything. I like to have little chats in the comments down below. If you check the last video, obviously all of the comments are liked and responded to because I like responding and replying. So yeah, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and more different videos, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post a new video, because why would you want to see my face all the time? That is all. Wishing you happiness, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Okay, I'm reloaded.